Now I'm going to show you how you can use VSTACK in a more advanced way. So we've been given a task by our boss and he wants us to combine the last 6 years worth of data. And as you see, we've got a 2017 sheet at the bottom all the way through to 2022 with anyone who's purchased anything within our company. And as you see, the data spans several hundreds of rows. And we need to combine it all into one. We can do that with VSTACK. Now, first of all, we're going to do equals VSTACK, and then we're going to open the bracket. Then we're going to select our first year, which is 2017, and hold Shift, and then select 2022. Now, this is going to select each of the sheets, so it grabs the data from all 6 of our sheets. Now, we're going to select our data, so it's going to be the first year, and we're going to select what we can. So as you see, 2017 we didn't have many sales, and we're going to adjust this row number here. So instead of it being 34, we're going to change it to about 10,000, just to make sure we grab everything within our tables. And then we're going to close that and we're going to hit enter. Now, as you're going to see, there's a lot of zeros, and if I was to go to a 10,000, you can see then we have our 2018 data, and the same to our 2019 and 2020, and so on. Now, I'm going to head back up to the top here, and I want to get rid of these zeros. What you can do is you can wrap the VSTACK formula in a filter formula. So I'm just going to select the VSTACK we did, and I'm going to copy that just so we have that for later. Now I'm going to write filter, and we want our array, which is what we have here with our VSTACK. And then what we're going to do is we're going to include a specific range, and this is where we don't want the zeros and the blank cells to be counted in. Now we'll paste what we copied here, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the column reference so it's all in the same column, so A2 to A10,000. And we don't want that to be anything that's blank, so we do a less than and greater than, and then 2 speech marks. And as you can see, it will now not grab anything that is equal to the speech marks, which is blank, empty cells. And then we're going to close the filter formula. Now, if I hit enter, you can see now that it is added in all of them together and stacked them perfectly without any of the blank rows. Now let's say we've got another piece of data for 2022 and they hadn't added it in time. And so let's go to the bottom here. I'm going to drag this down, and as you see, we've got our new receipt number, and let's say the cost was $40. Now type that in. If we go back to our VSTACK, you see it is now dynamically added that in as well.